In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a subtitle in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or a special project, removing unnecessary subtitles can make your slides cleaner and more focused. Let's jump right in and go through this simple step-by-step guide. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. If it's on your desktop, double-click to launch it. If not, you can find it by searching in your Start menu on Windows or using Spotlight on a Mac. Once PowerPoint is opened, navigate to the presentation you're working on or start a new one if you're still in the planning phase. Next, go to the slide where you want to remove the subtitle. The slide should open in the main editing area, giving you a clear view of all the elements it contains. Locate the Slideshow tab along the top menu of your PowerPoint window. This tab contains various settings tailored to how your presentation will be displayed. Click on it to see a range of options and settings designed to enhance your slideshow experience. Within the Slideshow tab, look for the option labeled Always Use Subtitles. This feature automatically enables subtitles during your presentation, which is useful for accessibility or ensuring clarity. However, if your goal is a cleaner slide or subtitles aren't necessary for your audience, you'll want to turn this feature off. To disable subtitles, simply uncheck the Always Use Subtitles box. This ensures that subtitles won't appear by default during your presentation. It's a quick and easy adjustment that instantly removes visual clutter from your slide. By taking this step, you not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your presentation, but also tailor it to better suit your audience's needs. And that's it. With successfully PowerPoint presentation. Keeping your slides free of unnecessary clutter can significantly improve their impact and make your content easier to follow. If you decide later that you want to add subtitles back in, you can easily revisit the Slideshow tab and recheck the option at any time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on improving your presentations. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your PowerPoint creations. Happy presenting!